back to the first haul video on my channel. So today I am doing the Myntra haul, and recently they had a huge sale going on and I bought a few stuff. So I'm going to show you all what I bought. First I'm going to start with t-shirts, and first I'm going to start with my favorite t-shirt, which is from Only, and it's in the neon green color. This is how the front of the t-shirt looks like, and this is the back of the t-shirt. It is a very nice neon green color, and this color is very trending right now. So the original price of this t-shirt is $9.99, but on sale I got it for very cheap. I don't remember the sale price, I just remember the sale price of a very few products. But yeah, if you go and check on their site, you will be getting this for the original price, which is $9.99. But Myntra पर किसी ना किसी चीज की सेल चली रही होती है, so you can try your luck. So the second t-shirt that I have is from Roadster. It's in the purple color. It's kind of a lavender color. So it's a very basic plain t-shirt. This is the back. So the original price of this t-shirt is $4.99, but on sale I got it for 200 rupees. So I bought this t-shirt because I wanted to wear it inside a black denim jacket. So you can use basic plain t-shirts, like I've bought white t-shirt as well. So you can just wear it inside a jacket or on your jeans and you can just leave. Because the climate is very hot right now, and t-shirts like this, it is very comfortable and you won't feel hot in this. So the third t-shirt that I have, it's a very basic black t-shirt. So this is the front of the t-shirt and this is the back. So the neck of this t-shirt is kind of V. It's a V-neck t-shirt, if you can see. It's from Here and Now. The original price of this t-shirt is $6.49, but on sale it was for 230 rupees, I guess. All these t-shirts, even if they are from a brand, but they are very cheap and you can buy it as well. It is very affordable. And the reason why I buy t-shirts when it's on sale, because I use t-shirts very roughly. I only prefer investing so much money when it comes to jeans, because jeans you really need of a good quality and jeans really needs to be comfortable. But these t-shirts are also very comfortable and it is very affordable. So the next t-shirt that I have is from H&M, and this is what it looks like. It's a very basic tea-bag t-shirt. You can wear this inside a jacket. They also had a color in black. It's a very basic white t-shirt, and this one was for $3.99, I guess. The next t-shirt that I have is from Veromora. This is how the t-shirt looks like. It is very basic. It just has a print that says Grow. This is the back of the t-shirts. The back of the t-shirt is plain. So the price of this t-shirt is $7.99. I don't remember the sale price of this t-shirt because I ordered all these items like a week back when their sale was on, and now the sale has already ended. So I don't remember the sale price, but this one was for very cheap, I guess. So the next item that I have, it's a track pant, and this is how the track pant looks like. And this thing, the grey thing, it is attached to it. ये ग्रे पार्ट सिर्फ इतना ही है, और ये काफी स्ट्रेचेबल भी है, लाइक ऐसे भी और ऐसे भी, एंड ये बिल्कुल भी सी थ्रू नहीं है. इट इज लाइक द कलर इज वेरी नाइस, द क्वालिटी इज वेरी नाइस. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल सी थ्रू, बट इसमें आपको थोड़ा गर्मी हो सकता है. एंड ये HRX की है. इसका प्राइस है 1700, बट ये सेल पे आई गेस मुझे कुछ 800 या 900 की मिली थी. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव इज अ So the next thing that I have is the joggers, and this is how the joggers looks like. It has a white strip and then it has this net thing going on here, and then they have this mustard yellow, and it has this kind of end. So this is very nice. I wore this yesterday and it is very comfortable, and you don't feel hot at all. The plus point of this joggers is that it has a pocket, it has a very big pocket, and so yeah, this joggers is very nice. And I don't remember the price, but I guess this one was for 850 or 800 rupees. And this is from a brand called Scorpius, if you are searching for it. So the next thing that I have is a sports shoes, and it is this. It is from Adidas, and this is how this side looks, and this is the front. This is how the bottom of the shoe looks like. It has a very beautiful purple color on the bottom, which I love the most, and it is very soft. And the second sports shoes that I have is this. This one is from Puma. This is how the back looks like, and this is how the front looks like. And I already wore this the second day it arrived because I was very excited, and so it's dirty. And both of the sports shoes came for around 4,000 rupees, but the actual MRP went up to 7,000. So the next thing that I have is my favorite item. I love this heels, how it looks like. It's a very beautiful snake print heel. This is how the back of the heels look like. It looks very elegant, very classy. And this is the front. The front is in maroon color, and it's from the brand called Ellen Soli. The original price of this heels is 2,000 rupees, but I bought it on sale for 900 rupees, I guess, for 900 or 1000 rupees. So this is in the size 37. मैंने पहले 38 मंगाया था, but फिर वो मुझे काफी बड़ा हो रहा था, so I exchanged it. So I was running out of concealer and I really needed one, and Myntra के सेल पे concealer भी available था. So this is the concealer that I ordered. It's from the Elegals Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige, and I also ordered a blush. I ordered this blush. This blush is from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Mellow Wine. And I also ordered a highlighter plus blush from Wet n Wild, but it is for a friend, so I couldn't show y'all, but I'll try to insert a clip if possible, just to show y'all how the pigment is like. This is how pigmented the blush is. Just because I ordered 2 products from Wet n Wild, they gave me this one for free. This is like their liquid eyeshadow. It's the glitter liquid eyeshadow in the golden shade. This is how the golden glitter looks like. So this is it. These are all the items that I ordered from Myntra. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video, share this video as much as you can, and also comment down and tell me which one was your favorite product. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.